Good day and welcome to Coinklix, your daily crypto news and analysis. Many thanks for joining us. Please do give this video a like and subscribe and hit that notification button for your daily updates. Now we've got that out of the way, let's get straight to it. So I didn't make a video on Friday. The main reason for that was because China yet again decided that they were going to have a crackdown on crypto and ban crypto. They do this pretty regularly, as you can see here. It's pretty much on a 4-yearly basis, 2013, 2017. Obviously, a couple of months ago, they decided that they were going to ban crypto mining. China ban everything. So they've banned Facebook, they've banned YouTube. I'm pretty sure Google withdrew from the Chinese market as well because of kind of compliance issues, and look how successful these companies are. So the fact that China bans crypto or bans Bitcoin doesn't really bother me. It's actually, I actually see it as an opportunity to go and buy more crypto and buy the dip because it crashes the market. I don't really know why people still pay attention to what China are doing. They've been announcing for the last 8+ years that they're going to be banning crypto. It's not going to have a place there because all China want to do is create their own digital currency and have the monopoly on that, which is fine. So over the weekend, on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I topped up on my assets. So I invested more money into my Ethereum, my Nervous network, also Bitcoin as well, also Covalent, the CQT, and Harmony 1. I think I bought some more reserve rights, as well as a few more AMP as well. So yeah, really good opportunity for me on Friday and Saturday and Sunday to pick up coins, move some funds around and make sure that my portfolio was looking pretty good. So that, I mean, not much more happened over the weekend. There was just a huge crash. However, first thing on Monday, the market's looking pretty good again. As you can see, Ethereum is up by nearly 12% in the last 24 hours. So I've already made some profit on the Ethereum that I topped up on over the weekend. Bitcoin up just shy of 6%. Cardano only 2%. So yeah, pretty good all round. I've already made some profit in probably the last 2 days. I don't really do trading. I'm more of an investor and buy the coins for long-term purposes. I keep them tucked away. 5-year kind of plan. Let's go back in 2025, 2026 and see what they're worth. So yeah, this is a really good opportunity for me to do some dollar cost averaging and start picking up some coins for slightly cheaper rates. One coin that I am invested in is the Covalent coin. It currently sits at around, I think it's about 62 pence. I'm not sure what that is in USD, probably about 84, 85 cents. So yeah, really good drop in Covalent. I actually lost some money when I first invested in it on Friday because it continued to dip. But this is a really good project, and I definitely urge most people just to go and have a look at it. Yeah, so it's around 86 cents, looking really good. It actually launched in June, so towards the end of June, that's when the data here for it is on CoinMarketCap. Saw a really nice peak up to about $1.9, just shy of $2 there. We've seen quite a bit of a drop down since. So as I say, it currently sits around $86. 86 cents. But I see some really good potential in this project. Definitely a 10x at least, probably within the next 12 months. So yeah, so I'm starting to get pretty bullish on Covalent. Please do take some time just to go and research it yourself, have a little Google, go through to their own website. This is not financial advice. Just go check it out. I think it's got a great potential. A lot of other YouTubers and other people in the industry are certainly looking at this coin and see some really good opportunity here to make some good profits. So please do your own research. So taking a quick look at the Bitcoin chart over the last week, we've got this nice W formation happening here. I'm pretty confident we're going to break past sort of $45,000 today. If we do, it's going to be a great end to the month, taking us into October, November, December. As I predicted in my last video last Thursday, I see really good gains coming up in October, November, December. Generally, always good months coming up towards the end of the year. If we can just break out of this this level of resistance, we are definitely mooning. We are mooning all the way to the end of the year. We've got some level of support here around just over 40,000. I don't see us dropping back down to that. If we can continue on this line of trajectory here over the next sort of 2-3 days, we're definitely going to be hitting sort of 46, 47,000. Once we break past that, it's up. The only way is up, surely. I think we've had all the FUD coming out of China. I don't foresee any more of that happening over the next, well, certainly to the end of the year. Maybe, maybe January, February, China will probably come out with something else that's going to crash the market again. But hey, the end of this year is looking pretty good. Certainly at the end of this month, we need to break out of this the level of resistance at around sort of 45 to 46,000. Once we break out of that, it's happy days all round. Looking at the monthly, so let me just try and pull that up. So looking at the monthlies here, so I think last week we were around sort of, might have been actually very, very similar. I can't remember the figure off the top of my head. And the way that today's looking as well, with Ethereum up nearly 12%, Bitcoin up 6%, we see some more gains over the remainder of the week. This has probably dropped down to about 6.5% drop for the month of September. And as you can see here, this is why I'm really bullish for October, November, December. I'm going to see some really good gains. I'm positive, absolutely positive we will. We've had a lot of crashes and a few hard times over the last several months. May was a really crap month for us, dropped down by 35%. I think we had another crash in July as well, even though it says here that we sat at just over 18% for the month. It would have been a damn sight more had we not seen that additional crash that we saw in July. But yeah, October, November, December, we're in the last month or in the last few days of September. So yeah, it's going to look really good. So there's a lot of media attention focusing on Ethereum at the moment. JP Morgan have suggested that investors or institutional investors are dropping their Bitcoin to invest into Ethereum. Personally, I don't know whether that's the case. I think people have been dropping Bitcoin because of the FUD that's been happening recently. As we know, Bitcoin is king. When Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. So as to whether that's strictly true or not, I don't know. Are people investing more into Ethereum? Absolutely they are. I think throughout the year, people have been predicting that Ethereum is going to be hitting 10,000 USD by the end of the year. So now's a really good time to get in on that action. Obviously, as I say, not financial advice, but we're sitting around 3,000 USD at the moment. You could probably expect, not guaranteed, of course, but it's not unlikely that we could be at 10,000 USD per Ethereum by the end of the year. Whether it will reach quite that high, I'm not sure. I'd probably guess at maybe sort of 8 to 9,000 USD by the end of the year. But that's my non-professional opinion. The reason that people are investing more into Ethereum at the moment is because of the explosion of NFTs and DeFi that's happening on the network. So, let's take a quick look at the price today. So it's just over 3,100 USD. I think the all-time high was back in May, before we had that big crash back in May, sort of around 4,168 USD. So we're sitting just under, or just over actually, 1,000 USD less than what it was at its all-time high. Nice big crash back down there sort of towards the end of July, when we had that crash in July that I mentioned earlier. What a price that would have been to buy in. But it's not too late. It's not too late. I'm on social media sometimes and I see people sort of putting up their portfolios, and I'm like, dude, where the fuck's your Ethereum? If you don't have Ethereum, like, what are you thinking? Like, I'm all for altcoins, but dude, like, where's your fucking Ethereum? So yeah, Ethereum now is the time to jump on board. Obviously, that's not financial advice, but if you're looking at investing into coins, Ethereum is definitely one that you need to be looking at right now. It's still cheap. We're still at entry point levels. Bitcoin, you can't buy a whole Bitcoin unless you're minted, and if you've got that much money, like, why are you investing it into crypto? So yeah, Ethereum's still at a good entry point level. So definitely one to look out for if you want a free time X by the end of the year. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. If it goes tits up, don't fucking sue me. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for joining us again today. We'll do my best to get you more crypto news, analysis, and updates tomorrow. Please do give the video a like. Please do subscribe. Please do hit that notification button. It really means a lot to me. We're a new channel. and trying to pick up a really good community here. There's going to be more videos coming soon, specifically around different altcoins. So I think I mentioned in my video last week about nervous networks. Today I've mentioned CQT, and what I'd like to do is, sort of short videos on these altcoins. So if you're invested in nervous network and CQT, please do drop a comment in the comment section, just to let me know that there are people out there that want to know more about it. Guys, thanks very much. See you tomorrow.